Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places. As you know, we have already started the chapter 15 decimal fraction in last video, and today I am just going to start the exercise 15a. In this exercise, very simple questions are there which you have already done in the class 5th. The first question is saying that write the number of decimal places in each of the following. Means you have to tell after how many digits the decimal is given. Okay, place of decimal. So as you can see here, 1 2, after 2 digit decimal is given there, so you will write the 2 in this number. 1 2 3, so you will write the 3. Okay, and in this number 1 2 3 4 5, after 5 digit decimal is there, so you will write the 5. As I told you, we always see the position of decimal from the right side. Okay, so here 1 2 after 2 digit, here after 3 digit, and here after 5 digit. Now the question number second, convert the given unlike decimal fraction into like decimal fraction. I told you already that how to change the unlike decimal to like decimal. In this number, after 2 digit decimal is there, here after 1 digit, and here after 3 digit. Okay, so we have to make all these number like decimal number. So we will put the 20 here, and we will put the 10 here. Okay, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3. In each number after 3 digit decimal is there now. Got it? So because we cannot decrease the number of digit in any number, but we can increase. And what number we will write? We will write only 0, the right side of the each number. Got it? If 3.20 and 3.1 is there. Got it? So we cannot remove this. Okay, this is the 8, 3.28 and 3.1, and now we have to make these two number like decimal number. So to make the like decimal number, we cannot remove this 8. Okay, but we can increase one digit, that is 0. Got? So we always write the 0 right hand side of each decimal number. Now the second part of this question. In this question, 1 2 3 4, after 4 digit decimal is there. Here 1 2 3 4 5 after 5 digit, and here 1 2 3. Okay, so we have to make all these number like decimal number. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, so we have to write the 20 after right side of this number. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5, after 5 digit decimal is there. Here is already after 5 digit, here is already after 5 digit decimal is there, and here 1 2 3 4 after 4 digit, so we will write 10 only. Now 1 2 3 4 5, after 5 digit decimal is there in this number also. Got it? Now the third question, change each of the following fraction into decimal fraction. We have to make this fraction the decimal fraction. So as I told you, when the 10, 100 and thousands are there, so you will just see the number of 0, and after counting the number of 0, you just put the decimal after same digit in numerator. Here 10 is there, in 10 in 10, so you will put the decimal after one digit, and before the decimal you always write the 0. Okay, now here 20 are there in denominator, so you will put the decimal after 2 digit, 1 2, so it will be 3.43. Now here, whenever you will find the 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 5, it means, suppose it is written 10 to the power 2, means 20 are there, it means 100. This is the 100. 10 to the power 2 means 100. If the 3 power is there, means 1000, 30 will be there. Okay, if 5 is written, then 50 will be there, means 1 lakh. So it is written the 3 by 10 to the power 3. it means you have to put the decimal after 3 digit, but it is the single digit, so you will write the 20 before the 3, so it will be the 1 2 3 decimal and 0. Okay, after 3 digit point is there, decimal is there. Now how do you convert it? Means you have to put the point after 5 digit, but here the only 4 digits are there in numerator, 1 2 3 4, so you will write the 0 to make this number, to make the numerator 5 digit. Now you will put the decimal after 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5, so 0 7 2 9 5, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 point and 0 you have to, and 0 you have to write. So the answer of this 0.0729. Now how do you write the 9500th? This type of question you already done. It will be written 95 upon 100 means 100 in fraction. You will write. Now the fourth question, convert into decimal fraction. As I told you, when in denominator 10, 100, thousands are not there, so what you will do? You will make or change the denominator in 10, 100 and 1000. So in 3 upon 4, how do you convert the 4 into the 10, 100, 1000? 4 can be easily converted into 100 by multiplying by the 25. Okay. So we will have to multiply by 25 in numerator also. Now it will be the 100 up, okay, 25 into 400 and 3 into 25, it will be the 75. Now you can change this like this question. You can change this fraction into decimal. So it will be 0.75 after 2 digit decimal will be there. Now 1 upon 125. 1 upon 125. How do you change 125 into 10, 100, 1000? 125 cannot be changed into the 10, 100. So you can change it into the 1000 by multiplying by 8. Now if we are multiplying by 8 in denominator, so we will have to multiply by 8 in numerator also. So it will be 8 upon 1000, and when we divide 8 by 1000, we will get the 0.008. After 3 digit point will be there, because in 1000 3 zeros are there. Now the last question, find the lowest term in fraction. 0.05 is there. So whenever you find this type of question, 0.05 is there and you have to change it into the fraction. So what you will do? You will just remove the decimal sign and see after how many digit point is given, after how many digit decimal is given, 1, 2. It means you have to write the 100, because in 100 2 0 are there. Got it? Now you will just divide it by the ratio of 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 0 means 1 upon 20 is the answer. Now the second question, 3.95, you have to change it into the fraction. After 2 digit point is there, so again you will just remove the point and write the 100. If after 1 digit point is there, so you will write the 10. If after 3 digit point is given, then you will write the 1000. Now you will divide it. These both are divisible by the 5. 5 to the 10, 20 हो जाएगा, and 5 7s are, and 5 9s are. 5 7s are 35 and 4 5 9s are 45. So you have got the 79 upon 20. You can change it into the mixed fraction. So you will get the 23 are 60 and 19. 3 whole 19 upon 20. Okay, so these were the questions in this exercise which I told you. It is very simple exercise, and I will share you some questions in this exercise which you will do in the fair copy. Till then you just keep practicing. Thank you.